Test your luck, what make you never buy lotto. Watch Netflix one time, know him think he my El Chapo. Then I say you sad when he kill against.
The man a go for Popcaan, dog. Yo, the man a go for Popcaan. The man nah stop. Me I say it right now, brother. The man say watch Netflix one time, know you think he my El Chapo, dog. Me nah stop now. Me can't say it now, brother. I straight this to Popcaan, this, dog. I let me tell. Listen up. Instead of playing my hand rolling. Now the man go say watch a little Netflix. Now him feed him El Chapo. Popcaan song name El Chapo. Let's say a long time Alkaline ever sang, put on a weight. Listen to the lyrics, you know, dog. Listen to the lyrics, you know. Me nah ramp, you know. Listen to the lyrics, you know. Listen to the lyrics.
One test your luck, what make you never buy lotto. Watch Netflix one time, know him think he my El Chapo. Then I say you sad when he kill a dance spot. You better defend your talk and not turn in a El statue.
God, you better defend your talk and don't turn in a El statue. People, me have spread fake news. What's up, YouTube? It's the reaction boss, and I am back in effect. Right now, I'm back with another reaction video. You see me, I say, first and all, before the video begins, I tell you, say anybody watch the video to the end and them comment, or I tell them to comment when you get the short out specifically. I remember the name of my editor. John, I remember the name of them. Them up on the screen, though. You know, say Courageous K did it. You see me, I say, I know say 1 Dan 2020 did it. I know say D. Escobar did it. P. Fletcher did it. I don't remember the say name. I don't remember any name. I don't spoil the name. But on up on the screen, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I like and support and support the thing. Big up on yourself. Right now, we're going to react to Alkaline Monopoly. Official video. People want the road to 10,000 subscribers. But the goal, the aim, that's the aim for the year, 10K now. But before that month, I don't know how I reach how much. 5K. Right now, they're 10 subscribers away from 5,000 subscribers. What? Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss are going with things. Anyway, this is what Alkaline do with that singing, man. It's a Monopoly. I see some gun on the screen. People there are what? I don't know. I see what go on.
Them can't touch you too, Ryan.
Bumbo now, hold on.
Touch you, Ryan.
Them can't touch we. We're too royal. You see me, I say, from where the rhythm, you know? You know, say a bad man thing, you know. I not like the rhythm, I kind of sound like me in the place. In the place. That's how it sound to me. No joke. I react to the thing. We can't tell. We tell you talk with mine. I react to the thing. No. But it kind of sound like that. But one of the things so far, I don't know no Monopoly. Because see what I'm going for that song. I don't know if I'm calling about the name. As I know, meaning that the mix up thing, you know. Me put that order from now. Meaning that the mix up, me not go kind of fake news. You see me, I say, me not go say what this no man because I don't know. Me not in them something. Me only react to the music and listen to the thing and vibe. You see me, I say I'm mostly react to music videos if you never know. So, yeah, I like to the girls with them big body a shake. Yeah, that I look for. But anyway, we see what I go on.
Control when you have a young girl.
Yeah.
Never take up nothing when me can.
Yeah.
Control when you have a young.
So control we have the angle. Control we have the angle and we never take up. We don't know where we can angle. You see me I say. So basically, man I say, what? He only pick up what we can manage. I joke here. I'm not going to them place there. But I let him say that. He must say, you take up. You never take up no can angle yet. Like some artists, that him try saying, some artists out there take up things with them can't angle. One come take up clash with them can't clash. You see me I say, some artists that take up clash with them know some run from clash. You know who me attack already? Me not call no name though. I'm just attacking. Me attack. Me not call nobody name. Alright? Ready, reaction boss, I got you.
Jaja never giving nothing what we can.
Yeah?
Nah funny. We see them a chat with them a chat and we're gonna do one with the normally.
Nah funny. We see them a chat and well run it back again.
Control when you have a young girl.
Yeah.
Jaja never giving nothing what we can.
Alright now, run it now.
Nah funny.
Yeah.
We see them a chat with them a chat and we're gonna do one with the normally.
Them a chat and we wow. Well, I'm not here good enough. Deaf enough.
Nothing what we can. Nah funny. We see them a chat with them a chat and we're gonna do one with the normally.
Oh, them are gonna know how to do normally. About them bad. I don't know if I think what in a dog. Just people, I'm telling them already. I say it on Instagram. I don't know if I'm doing a 9 to 5 job. I just come in. I'm telling them I want to try my best not to do it every day in my car. So I'm kind of out and come home for getting the reaction in the right way. You see me? But consistency, like you support, that's why I'm so consistent with the thing. Every day we post 2 to 3 videos. Anyways, we see what's going on in that song.
Steady. I when she call me, when me slap up in your glass, money.
Yeah.
Pasta this.
Yeah.
Can't get it from it, send the killer, them go last, money.
Hold on, rewind. Me nah miss no lyrics today. Ready?
Call me when me slap up in your glass, money.
Yeah.
Pasta this.
Yeah.
Can't get it from it, send the killer, them go last, money. Like,
can't get it from it, so I'm selling killer, them go last, somebody. Bad him bad. What this man? Me a father, hold on there. Alright, there. I don't know what up. Let's see how I look up on the TV. Alright, ready. This is the friend of me. Alright, ready? Ready on there, see me? Alright, run through.
Monopoly. Hey, have the control of the trade. My time I tell the price right. She a wish upon a star and the Lord catch her eyesight. All of her for do with the teen, the hype vibes. All me want me here, I'm out it tight. Yeah, I see the plot. What them not a boss sense. You just that drama on them. Up them and up. You know unruly. Monkey I'm up. No kill a flag.
Because officially say it no because they don't know say Popcaan say unruly, you know. You see me I say them and see yo, them not unruly. Act them a act. Yeah, we can say him, we can say him call somebody, we can say him do something now. You see me I say because me I listen to the dog, you know, so me not really jump to fake news and conclusion already. I'm like it, me have to hear something and me can say, yeah. Someone that come spread fake news or this like all the massacre song me react to dog. You might say massacre this cartel. We don't know what me did a meds the girl anyways. I never did a meds or a massacre. Me never did a meds the lyrics honestly. I'm actually addressed in the video and somebody commented, big up yourself still, but you don't know what the girls I'm looking for. But me I say, yo, me never hear nothing about cartel, this is no cartel or whatever dog. Me never hear it. Me see people that post it about massacre this cartel. Me say, what? Me not jump to them something there. That's why I just watch it and enjoy myself. Like the music I write down, some meds. Me meds as you can see. Me not say nothing more. Me not say 40 about that same. Me say meds. Run through.
I'm a go strap them, I go wish I never them when them running the attack. We see say them a feel, but we not falling.
Damali.
Bastani.
You want to think about that song? Let me know in the comment section down below. You see me I say? Yeah. I could go through. I want to hear the chorus again. Song come my face too.
Them a favor. Live life to the police, one leap a pussy and cheddar that the focus in a tunnel vision, me see the time. She want to sell up and make you never buy lotto. Watch Netflix one time, now him think he my El Chapo. Then I say you sad when he kill against.
The man a go fi Popcaan dog. Yo, the man a go fi Popcaan. The man nah stop. Me I say it right now, brother. The man say watch Netflix one time, now you think he my El Chapo dog. Me nah stop now. Me can say it now, brother. I straight this to Popcaan this dog. I let me tell. Listen now, instead of playing my unruly. Now the man go say watch a little Netflix. Now him feed him El Chapo. Popcaan song name El Chapo. Let's say a long time Alkaline ever sang put on a weight. Listen to the lyrics in the dog. Listen to the lyrics in the me not ramp in the listen to the lyrics in the listen to the lyrics.
Want to sell up and make you never buy lotto. Watch Netflix one time, now him think he my El Chapo. Then I say you sad when he kill a dance spot. You better defend your talk and not turn in a El statue.
God, you better defend your talk and don't turn in a El statue. People, me have spread fake news. Me tell you already, no, me not still like no normal review pan them in the dark. Me not depend for them level. Me not do what them man they do now. As you can see me react to music videos and watch the girl them shake them body and thing, you know. You see me as the girl them me pray, you know. You see me music with my thing, you know. But you know some of the Alkaline fans them and them there. I know Alkaline don't post regular. So I forget people something for watch. You see me I say, I know I say something. So me there I say, watch you now, man. You might go for Popcaan dog. But I really know it, I go straight direct. Yo, I go see some more I sang.
Look what me surround, dream team this. She no want a man wear a clown, she want a realist. Make it anywhere, any town, in a US, in a pound. I see them a chat, what them a chat, and we go do what we don't
normally.
Last time.
But people that sing a chat. I don't want to think about the song down below in the comment section. You see me I say, I tell me if me wrong. You see if me not wrong, I want the video, I want each and everyone on the world watch a video right now for like the video. You see me I say, but you see if me wrong, I want to dislike the video. Anyone a Popcaan, the man of this. Dislike the video. Anyone a Popcaan, the man talk about. Dislike the video. I don't care right that. As you can see, music with them thing. I can't say anything in that video right now. So anyone who feels like on a Popcaan in my this, I want to dislike that video. But if me right, like that video. You see me? I'm going to see if we can get 200 likes on that video. That's the thing there. Run it through though.
I want she call me when me slap up in your glass, money. Pasta this. Let me touch the sky, aye. And I get no realer. Maneuver with a lot of meaner.
Yeah.
Inside the earth for dominate the era, big achiever.
Yeah.
Love I hate the key, me want a piece of. Better yet, me want the whole world long as me have a soul to keep her. Now, we see them a chat, with them a chat, and we're gonna do one with the normally.
People, I don't want to think about the song down below in the comment section. You see me, I say it's been a boy Tyrekejt, aka the reaction boss. You see me? I have multiple reactions up on my channel. People need to go check out the channel. See there? Tyrekejt do it already. Alkaline, this is Popcaan wicked. See there? Yeah man, on a favorite blogger. They me and say me I go react to Daddy One Rich right now too. But anyways, big up on yourself now. You see them man are fast, see? Well, true did there, I'm faster than it. I'm faster than you by far. I can post a reaction faster than Tyrekejt. Me turn that. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Up and out.